What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a diagram or a flowchart in ChatGPT. Let's say I want to create a flowchart on affiliate marketing. I'm going to go ahead to ChatGPT and tell it the following. Create a flowchart in mermaid form, and it's pretty important to write mermaid form, I'll show you why later, on affiliate marketing. Okay, enter. And now it will generate the code for the flowchart. Now let's wait for it to continue generating. And now highlight this part right here, from beginning from flowchart TD to the very end, and then copy it. Go to this website, draw.io here, and then click on the plus icon, then advanced, and then click on mermaid. Remember, we generated the code in mermaid form. Now highlight the text that is right here, delete it, and then paste the code generated and then insert. And as you can see, it did create a flowchart, a rather complex one, on affiliate marketing. You can go ahead and edit like each individual element, change like the position, change the color, change the style, the fill, and everything. And you can go ahead, if you don't like the arrows, you can change the shape of the arrow, change the line form, change the line color, and everything.